Start first by clicking on the My Account link in the top right. Next, sign in with an email and password. If you have not registered yet, please do so. Click on the Login button. Once logged in, you first want to add your riders to your account. Start by clicking on the Add Rider button. This pop-up will appear. Please fill out the required information. One for each rider. Add a picture of the rider. Then once all information is filled, click the Add button. If you have more than one rider, repeat the previous process. For any reason, you need to edit riders. Click Edit Riders. A pop-up will appear with a list of all the riders you have entered. Click the Edit button next to the rider you need to edit. You will then be able to edit the information you need. Be sure to click the Update button to save. Once you have added your rider information, to make an appointment request, first search for the correct calendar. Once you are on the correct calendar, search for your proper date and click on it. A list of times will be shown. Find your time frame and click Book Appointment. A new pop-up will appear. Fill out required fields. For new riders, be sure to pay attention to know the proper forms we need you to fill out. Once filled out, double-check appointment times. Then click on Request Appointment. Remember, one appointment per rider. Check your email for your confirmation appointment request. Please remember, all appointments will need to be approved. You will be sent another email with the approval for your appointment.